Hello and welcome. We are learning how to set up Docker high availability swarm cluster. As a part of this, in the step 1, we already created 5 EC2 instances. Now, in this particular video, we are going to install Docker inside all these EC2 instances. So let's start. First of all, I am going to open command prompt. I am going to the download folder because all the resources, keys and everything is there in this particular folder. Now I am going to use ssh-i. The key we have is new 2024 -key Ubuntu, and now I have to add IP address. I will add this IP address into the sequence like host 1. This is IP address of host 1 and I am going to use. Yes, now let me copy this so I can use this same command to access other EC2 instance. Yes, I got access of my first EC2 instance, host 1. Again, going to the downloads folder, going to paste this, and here I'm just going to change IP address. IP address of host 2 is this one. Let me copy the whole command and let me paste this into each and every new window. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now final one. Now I just need to change IP address. Okay, this is for my second one. Yes, now third, I have to copy host 3 IP. You may have questioned that can I install this with one command and it will execute it in all the hosts. It is possible as well, but for this we need to use configuration management tool, which is actually altogether new learning experience. So we are not going to do this right now because we want to concentrate on specifically Docker in this series. So definitely upcoming days when you will learn Ansible, we have this way to execute commands in all the hosts together. Now, whenever you are going to access this, make sure that whatever you are doing right thing. By mistake, you are not accessing same instance again and again. So to verify this, you can check over here. See, it is 172.31.32.251. It is 37.220, 36.182, 42.29, 34.31. So these are like a different private IP we have. It means everything is good. Now we want to install Docker. Here I am giving you this command. What you can do, you can copy all commands together and you can directly paste on all your hosts. See, right click will paste here and now it will start executing the command. It will run all the commands in the sequence. We do not need to copy and paste separate commands. So now installation started and it is installing. In between it will ask me to press enter. So yes, I am pressing enter here. Same. I have to do this for all these clients. Yes. Once this process will be over, it will install Docker latest version. And another thing is,
sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Atara, updates and completion certification as well. Still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.